So I'm currently doing a lot of things in the garage today with my M3, kind of organizing for future maintenance. And one of those maintenance items, of course, is going to be an oil change, which I've done a few since owning this vehicle. But one of the things I wanted to talk to you about is sharing some knowledge on perhaps the best deal you can find on the M3's oil. So, as you may know, E90, E92, E93, M3s take 10W-60 oil. Depending on your superstitions, you probably go with the special Castrol blend or the new BMW formula, twin power, whatever. Regardless of what brand you choose, it's kind of a rare weighted oil to find anywhere. You can't really just roll into Walmart to find it. A lot of tuner shops online will sell it. They'll sell kits where you get 9 quarts, the oil filter, the drain bolts, the crush washer, and it'll be like 120 some dollars, depending on what brand you choose of oil. Maybe you're closer to $100, maybe you're even above that. But one of the best deals online is Amazon sells a 12 pack of the 10W-60, the new supercar blend, which it's just like the old one they used to have, but it's just been rebranded to a newer label. They call it supercar. Depending on your bottle, it will even say approved for Koenigsegg engines on the back, and of course BMW M models. So why I think this is one of the best deals you can get is because all those oil change kits online, like I said, depending on what brand you're going to go for, you're spending basically $120-ish, $125, 30, whatever, and you're getting 9 quarts of oil. In this case, you're getting 12 liters, 12 liters of oil. What that means is every 3 boxes of this that you buy, which is only 120, I've seen it a little closer to 100 in some cases, but let's just say $125 for this, because I believe that's exactly what I paid for this box. Every 3 times you do that, you will basically be getting an oil change for free in terms of the oil. Of course, you'll need the filter, which I have right up there. You'll need the filter, of course, the crush washers, if you replace the drain bolts. But in terms of the oil, which is the most expensive part of these oil changes, it will be the cheapest, and you will, of course, every 3 times, get a free oil change. Now, I'll put the link into the description so you don't have to go hunting for the exact Amazon link, because it's not only is it just posted on Amazon, it's not some tuner shop, it's on Amazon, sold by Amazon, shipped from Amazon, and that's why you're pretty much getting the great deal. But I just wanted to share this knowledge because I am not just spitting some thing on the internet. I've actually bought it. I've bought it, I think this is the second or probably third time, so maybe I'm getting a free oil change right now. And even if you're not doing it for 3-time interval to get a free oil change, if you've had an M3 for a while, they kind of drink oil in between oil changes depending on how hard you drive. And if anything, this is just giving you some free oil to fill up in between. But hope you enjoyed this little kernel of knowledge. Thanks for watching.